Daily care for ceramic wash basins. Dear friends, regular care for the ceramic wash basin depends on how often the sink is in use, and the environmental elements like dust and water hardness. Here are the steps and dose for such regular care for your bathroom wash basin. Use hot water and soap mix to soak the sink. Remove the stains by rubbing the surface softly with a nylon scratch pad or a brush. Rinse the residue with clean water. Use a soft or microfiber cloth to wipe the basin dry. Removing limescale deposits. Use a 50% mix of water and white vinegar. Follow the steps above with the vinegar mixture. Rinse thoroughly after use. Do not leave the vinegar in contact with the surface. Dry the sink after use to delay future limescale buildup. This kind of regular cleaning is much easier and preferable to maintain the sink finish than infrequent, heavy cleaning. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.